Hello friends, this is April Harris Jackson from Graceful Aging Legal Services. I am an attorney licensed to practice in Tennessee, and I hope that you will find an attorney licensed in your area to discuss the specific situation that you are in. So we're talking about estate planning, and one of the questions that I often hear is, can I avoid probate? How do I avoid probate? Now, in a previous video, we talked about how in Tennessee, at least, probate is not this big scary process that it can be in other places, unless you have, some troublemakers maybe in your family. But the answer to can I avoid probate is maybe. A very lawyerly answer is it depends. There are some tools that we use to avoid probate, but really in order to get a grasp on whether or not you can avoid probate and what the best possibilities for that outcome are for you and your situation, is to talk to an estate planning attorney about what your assets are, what are the best options for transferring those, whether it makes sense to transfer things now or after your passing, what are the tools that can be used, and just kind of the best methods for doing that. These are all very situational, and so you really want to talk about that with an attorney and make sure you have a full disclosure of all of your assets so that these things can be planned out well. And again, as your assets change, you need to update that information and review it with your attorney. Okay, that's it for today, and I hope you will join us tomorrow. Thanks.